Coolest gadgets for cars on Amazon. If you consider yourself a homebody, you might be spending more time in your car than you think. A recent study found that Americans spend an average of 18 days driving per year, and many find themselves in their car for more than 8 hours every week. While this may not seem like much, it's enough time to make sure your vehicle is an enjoyable space. Thankfully, these cool car gadgets can make all the difference, and they're available on Amazon. Dometic CCFT. Keep food and drinks cold and fresh on the go with the Dometic CCFT GM Console Refrigerator. It seamlessly fits into various GM truck models, including Chevrolet Silverado HD 2020 and newer, GMC Sierra 1500 2019 to 2021, and more. Best of all, its design ensures it integrates into your vehicle's center console. Furthermore, this gadget boasts a generous capacity to fit up to 9 cans, making it ideal for a day trip with the family. Best of all, it includes a soft touch interface for convenient usability. Moreover, the Dometic CCFT GM Console Refrigerator has an automotive-approved compressor with low noise and energy consumption. This minimizes it from draining your truck's battery. Finally, it has a minimal installation time for easy setup. Overall, now you can take beverages and snacks with you without them getting too warm during travels. Vevor Bluetooth 5.0 OBD2 Scanner. This OBD2 diagnostic scanner features a reliable 5.0 Bluetooth connection for stable communication. Download the KDIE app from Google Play or the App Store, compatible with both Apple and Android systems, to access real-time data and perform diagnostic operations effortlessly. With the capability to connect to the entire vehicle system, this scanner comprehensively diagnoses car problems, including the engine system, automatic transmission system, alarm system, and more. The Bluetooth car code reader streamlines the process of checking vehicle faults, saving you time, repair costs, and downtime. Comply with the 9 major OBD2 from 1996 in the US to the present. Compatible with 30-plus vehicle models and brands, supporting 7 languages. The OBD2 diagnostic tool can read /erase code, data flow, I/readness, etc., and the built-in DTC library provides quick troubleshooting of code meanings, along with professional repair instructions and data reports to address urgent issues. Gain access to all app functions and models without any additional charges. The app has a lifetime free upgrade feature, ensuring the system and functions stay up to date with the latest advancements. This improvement provides you with more comprehensive and capable diagnostic tools. Fantic X8 APX Tire Inflator. Keep your adventures going when you have the Fantic X8 APX Tire Inflator. With a built-in high-performance chip, it quickly inflates tires and provides a maximum pressure of 150 psi. Its large LCD dual display lets you see the real-time pressure value and the pressure value. Furthermore, its impressive airflow of 32 liters/min takes only 14 seconds to pump a road bike tire or fewer than 6 minutes to pump up a 205/55 R16 car tire. Its 7,800-mile rechargeable battery doesn't require an external power supply, yet it works wirelessly for up to 40 minutes. This makes it ideal for inflating car, motorcycle, and bike tires, as well as balls and other inflatables. With 5 preset modes and an auto shoot-up feature, it won't overinflate your tire. Finally, it also has a 2-mode LED light, a 5V/3A USB-C input port, and a 5V/2A USB output port. Mine and GER Unifilar Car LED strip light. The lights tapes back come with strong adhesive. A line connect with 4 strip lights, no need to assemble the strip light, easier to install and hide. The cigarette lighter plug has switch and indicator light, built-in fuse, effectively protect the vehicle lights. Suitable for any model cars. Forget the remote with easy to lose, we provide a more convenient and fashion controller. Enjoy to change the color, brightness, music mode. And you can stick the controller on the nearby next to you for safety drive. What's more, you can use the app to control the light. Built-in high-sensitivity mic sound-sensitive function. The interior car lights will sync any sound captured from microphone, and then the lights will change their colors following the music rhythm. Increase safety of driving in daytime and nighttime. Kono America S-Lite car safety device. Reduce secondary accidents if you pull over your vehicle night or day with the Kono America S-Lite car safety device. It attaches to your car's interior or exterior and extends outward or upward to make it more visible to others, preventing any collisions. This car safety device is ideal to use if you're changing a flat tire, have an engine failure, and more. Finally, the Kono America S-Lite features a motor that operates at 225 RPM and an LED red light. That way, you can focus on safely repairing your vehicle or waiting for a breakdown service to arrive. No-Light 72 LED USB Interior Strip Lights. These as car lights covered 16 million colors and tones for selection and make your car personality. At the same time, it has a variety of scene modes for you to choose from, allowing you to enjoy rainbow-like lighting effects. You can use the mobile app, 16-key RF wireless remote control, and DC-12 the manual control box to operate. A large number of dynamic light effects and easy-to-use DIY mode. Interior lights will sync to music on your phone or any sound captured from microphone. Then the interior lights will change their colors following the music rhythm. Featured with highly sensitive mic, our car interior light can dance smoothly with any music type. Liven up your road trips. Bring an immersive audio experience during your road trips. There are 3 installation methods, including double-sided tape fixing, cable tie fixing, and screw fixing, which can make the car light bar more firm and stable and not easy to fall. The 2-wire design can be easily hidden and installed in the gap, almost invisible. Guanda's Bluetooth car. Guanda Bluetooth car charger has built-in overcurrent over voltage, intelligent temperature control, short circuit protection. Safely applied to all vehicles with voltage of 12V 24V, full duplex sound and lossless music. Multiple playing with 5 EQ modes: normal, jazz, classical, pop, rock. 1.8 color screen car MP3 player. Bluetooth FM transmitter with QC 3.0 charging port. This device is compatible with Samsung, LG, Sony, iPhone, Android, iPod, and more. It works well with any vehicles, trucks, buses, and cars. Comes soon upgraded Bluetooth 5.0 receiver for car. This car Bluetooth adapter can be connected to non-Bluetooth car audio systems, home stereos, speakers, wired headphones via the 3.5mm AUX adapter, and equipped with a Bluetooth 5.0 chip for stable connection/fast transmission/wide signal range. Just pair it with your phone and start listening to your favorite music. The Bluetooth audio receiver adopts the latest CVC 8.0 noise cancellation and digital signal processor (DSP) technologies, which can eliminate echo and block out intrusive background noise, providing you with crystal clear calling sounds. Hammock mounted on a roof rack. Who doesn't love a good hammock? It's a great way to relax when on holiday or just in the garden. But how about a hammock suspended above your car? It seems this would be another accessory not to try whilst driving. It's amazing how many car gadgets and accessories are available which are not advisable to be used while driving. Putting aside the issue of how one should even access this hammock once it is mounted on the roof of your car, and also how safe it is to be suspended at this height or above a vehicle, I still love it, because it's a hammock. Just if you do buy one and affix it to your car, perhaps you should also buy a sign which warns other drivers of your vehicle not to accidentally drive off whilst you're up there. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.